Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I will be experimenting on stamping with gold foil. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. First, I want to share with you these debossed leaves that I bought from Cotton Cat, a local supplier. I will share with you in the description where to purchase your clay-related products. I love these leaf designs because they are so dainty. You will also need some gold foil. The one that I chose was rose-colored gold. I roll out my clay into the number 4 setting on my roller. Then I added a bit of texture to it by placing some medium grit sandpaper on top. Next, I placed the foil on top of the clay. Then I pressed the debossed leaf. After carefully removing the foil, I go back and stamp the design once more. Then I take out all the excess foil with some Scotch tape. Then I get a rectangular cutter and cut a tile. I also flattened some rose gold clay into the number 7 setting and cut a thin strip. This strip goes around the rectangle. Next, I get my microcircular cutters and punch 2 holes. Now this goes into the oven for baking. I'm making a summer bracelet and I plan to have the clay as the centerpiece. I decorate the chain with some broken shells. Before attaching the tile, I brush it with some Sculpey satin glaze. Now it's time to assemble the bracelet. This was a fun and easy project to experiment with. I think that I will make a lot more of these and turn them into necklaces and other jewelry. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!